So in goes the liquid nitrogen into this pan. Now you got to look closely. What do you see coming off of the pan? Huh?
The thing, the water from it.
It looks like water.
But it's not.
Well, what do you think it is?
The nitrogen.
Is it the nitrogen? Well, let's find out. So I'm going to put this little pan down there. You can see we're collecting the liquid in the pan, right? So, okay, so we've collected quite a bit of that stuff, yeah?
Yeah.
And you're saying that might be nitrogen. And I'm going to stick this magnet next to it. So what do you see?
It's like reacting with it. It has a high affinity.
That sticks to it.
Yeah.
All right, so let's test the same thing with some nitrogen.
Okay.
Okay? So I'm going to take some nitrogen and we're going to put that in the pan. We're going to repeat the experiment. Same thing. In goes our magnet. Is it attracted to it?
No.
No, it isn't. So it probably isn't nitrogen coming off of that pan. Let's do this though, just to show you. This is kind of fun. We're going to see how this wood splint burns in that nitrogen, all right? There we go. Puts it out. Yeah?
Interesting.
Okay. Let's collect some of that other fluid again. And we're going to drip some of this stuff from the pan into the pot. We know that stuff's attracted to a magnet.
Yeah.
We're going to see how things burn in it. You want to get it lit and try? Or you want me to do it?
I'll get it lit.
Let's be careful, okay? Here you go. Just put just the tip down in there, okay, when it comes time.
Okay.
I can try this. Blow the splint out, but keep it glowing. So actually blow it out, keep it glowing, and pop it down.
Ooh.
Come on, baby. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
What do you think that is? What do you think that stuff is? All right, that's enough. That's enough. We're getting a little too concentrated. Let's see how much we can collect here. I want to collect a whole bunch of this stuff. What's air made of?
Oxygen.
And?
Carbon. Nitrogen.
Nitrogen. Is there more oxygen or is there more nitrogen in the air?
Oxygen.
There's actually more nitrogen.
Nitrogen.
So there's like 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen, and then trace other gases, okay? Liquid oxygen is blue in color. It's got like a blue color to it, okay? Does that stuff look blue to you?
Yes.
Yeah? Faintly or pretty strongly?
Faint.
Faintly. Let's watch what happens. Okay, we're going to watch what happens to that color as the droplet evaporates away.
Okay.
All right? Does it look like the blue color is getting stronger?
No.
Keep watching.
Yes.
Yeah? I mean, is it or isn't it? I don't want to...
It is now.
It is getting a little stronger.
Yeah.
So what we have here is, at the beginning, it's liquid air. So when air hits this pan, see this pan's at 77 Kelvin. The pan's at 77 Kelvin.
Okay.
And so when the air hits it, air will liquefy if it gets below like 80 Kelvin. So it hits the pan, it's low enough to liquefy. So that stuff that's dripping down from that pan, that's liquid air, man, which is mostly nitrogen. Yeah? And it's got some oxygen in there too, which is why it's got that faint blue color.
Okay.
Okay? Now, when that stuff boils away, the nitrogen comes off first. It's like a fractional distillation. So the nitrogen boils away first, leaving behind oxygen. And we know that things burn better in oxygen.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so that's why we saw that. Now, well, what I'm telling you is true, as that gets more blue, it should burn stuff better. because it's more concentrated in oxygen,
Okay.
right? So let's observe this. So we'll collect some like, okay, we'll collect some fresh and we'll get a burn. So here we go. Let's collect it fresh. All right, try it. It's gorgeous. Look how the whole thing lights up. All right, take it back, take it away. We're gonna let that concentrate a little bit now, okay? So the nitrogen boils off, leaving more of the oxygen behind. That should be more concentrated oxygen. Give it a shot here. See that? Much better. Much better burn in it. Don't do it like that.
It's not smart.
So, do you agree that it burnt better?
Yes.
So there you go. That's the whole experiment. What do you think?
Cool.
Thanks.